Good morning class. In the last particular lecture we have learned about the particular waste remaining product of petroleum. How many components are there present in petroleum children? So whatever we have discussed that it is containing of 7 mainly components like first petrol, LPG, kerosene, then diesel, then lubricating oil, then paraffin wax and lastly bitumen. So road of surfacing में जो भी component use है वो है bitumen. Lubricating oil that is used for the lubrication purpose in the machinery part. Then when we talked about the paraffin wax, वो vaseline बनाने में use होता है. Then it is also used for making ointments. So that are the uses as well as the product which we have done in the last previous class. Today we just learn about the third particular fossil fuel, that is natural gas. When we talked about the formation of natural gas, you can see that it is obtaining along with the petroleum. That means petroleum कैसे मिला कि बहुत सालों पहले अगर when we talked about the natural disaster, तो when you talked about the aquatic life, जो भी very microscopic sea plants as well as animal थे वो मर गए, डर गए, दब गए जमीन के नीचे whenever the ocean part. And when we talked about the layer of the soil, तो sand slate के अंदर they got buried for the millions of years. And whenever high temperature and pressure is there, for the diet animals as well as the plants, they are going to get converted into petroleum, and along with the petroleum they are getting the natural gas. That means occurrence वो मिलता कहाँ से, तो हम लिख सकते हैं कि वो पेट्रोलियम के साथ मिलता है. दूसरा ट्रैप्ड इन द इम्पीरियस रॉक्स, कई बार वो रॉक में से भी मिल रहा है. तो व्हेन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट द नेचुरल गैस, that is the formation of natural gas. Natural gas is the third particular fossil fuel which we are getting from the particular formation of petroleum. पेट्रोलियम के साथ वो हमें मिल जाता है. बहुत सारे millions of years ago, along with the petroleum, when microscopic sea plants and animals died, they got buried under the sand and clay, and they are going to get converted into the natural gas. उसके अलावा वो impervious rock में से भी मिलते हैं. So that is the formation of natural gas today. So when we talked about now the property of natural gas, that what is the property of natural gas? So we see now the property of natural gas today. See the composition, वो किससे बना है. When we talked about the natural gas, it is mainly made up of methane, ethane, propane and butane. When we talk about this all the particular gases, they are mainly made up of hydrogen and carbon. So they are also known as hydrocarbons. So हम क्या बोल सकते हैं चिल्ड्रन कि नेचुरल गैस में कंपोजिशन हम लिख सकते हैं मेड अप ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. तो मीथेन इज देयर मेनली प्रेजेंट अबाउट ऑलमोस्ट 85% मीथेन से बना है. 10% उसमें इथेन है, 3% इथेन है और रिमेनिंग व्हाटएवर द परसेंटेज ऑफ ब्यूटेन. सो अगर पूछा जाए कि व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट द कंपोजिशन वो किससे बना है, सो इट इज मेनली मेड अप ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन. वो हाइड्रोजन कार्बन से बना है जिसको हाइड्रोकार्बन बोला जाता है. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द पर्टिकुलर कंपोजिशन, तो 85% मीथेन है, देन इथेन 10% है, 10% के बाद 3% में प्रोपेन है, रिमेनिंग जो भी बचा है ब्यूटेन है. उसी तरह उसका जो भी कंपोजिशन हो जाएगा 100%. सो 95 एंड 3 98, सो 2% जितना हुआ उसमें ब्यूटेन. सो ये हो गया उसका क्या कंपोजिशन, वो किससे कौन से गैसेस से बना है. तो मेनली इट इज मेड अप ऑफ 4 गैसेस, दैट इज मीथेन, इथेन, प्रोपेन एंड ब्यूटेन. अब ये दो व्हेनेवर वी विल टॉक अबाउट दिस 4 पर्टिकुलर गैसेस, तो ये चारों जो बने हैं उसमें हाइड्रोजन एटम है और कार्बन एटम. तो ये चारों को दूसरा बोला क्या जाता है हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. दे आर मेनली नोन एज हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. नाउ नेचुरल गैसेस जो हमें अब पढ़ना है, व्हेनेवर नेचुरल गैस इज कंप्रेस्ड एट अ हायर प्रेशर, उसको जब भी हायर प्रेशर से कंप्रेस्ड करो, देन इट इज नोन एज CNG. नाउअडेज व्हीकल्स आर देयर used fuel, CNG as a fuel. Vehicles are going to be run by using the CNG. That is nothing but C stands for compressed, N stands for natural, and G stands for gas. It is used for the power generation. Other uses of CNGs are also there, which we are just saying in the particular next slide. You just copy this composition. इसका composition क्या है, उससे CNG कब बोला जाएगा, तो नेचुरल गैस. when we talk about the natural gas CNG, so whenever natural gas is compressed at higher pressure, उसे हायर प्रेशर पे जब भी कंप्रेस किया जाए तो वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, CNG में. सो CNG इज नथिंग बट इट इज कंप्रेस्ड. C stands for compressed, N stands for natural, and G stands for gas. So we can write down C and G. So when we talk about this, these are the particular composition of the natural gas CNG. Please copy if you want to copy children. Now we see the other uses of CNG children. Now let us see the other uses of natural gas, compressed natural gas. Children, when we talked about the petrol is very expensive nowadays. अभी petrol बहुत महंगा हो गया. So instead of petrol, many of the cars as well as many of other vehicles, they are running on the use of CNG. So very fast, it is very less expensive as well. It is very less polluting. Due to that, it is used as a fuel for the transporting of the vehicles. Transportation में nowadays it is going to be used due to its cheaper cost. वो बहुत सस्ता है और लेस पोल्यूटिंग है, जिसकी वजह से वो यूज्ड हो रहा है. सेकेंडली, इट कैन बी डायरेक्टली यूज फॉर बर्निंग पर्पस इन द होम एज वेल एज इन द फैक्ट्रीज, क्योंकि इट इज ईजिली, वी कैन ईजिली ट्रांसपोर्ट इट थ्रू द पाइप्स. वो पाइप के थ्रू ईजिली ट्रांसपोर्ट हो जाएगा. सो व्हेन यू विल टॉक अबाउट दैट CNG, सो दीज आर द यूजेस ऑफ CNG. कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस है. नेचुरल गैस को जब भी हाई प्रेशर पे कंप्रेस करते हैं, इट कैन बी नोन एज कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस. देन व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस, उसके 3 यूजेस हैं. इट इज़ यूज फॉर पावर जनरेशन, इट इज़ यूज एज ए फ्यूल फॉर ट्रांसपोर्ट व्हीकल्स ड्यू टू लेस polluting and cheaper cost than that of petrol and diesel. It is also going to directly used for burning purpose. That is, it is used in the factories as well as in the homes for cooking purpose or other particular industrial purpose, because it can be easily transported through pipes. So these are the uses, 3 uses you can write for CNG. Kindly copy it down. These are the 3 uses you can use. First, second and third you can copy. And then we move to the very last topic of this chapter, that is how to conserve these fossil fuels. हम fossil fuel को कैसे बचा सकते हैं? So kindly copy these 3 uses and we move to the particular how it is going to be conserved. Along with the explanation, children, kindly copy down the whatever the explanation is there done on the board, so you don't have to write, then search here and there for the notes. One by one the topic is there going to be taught by the teachers, so kindly copy it down in the notebook. So these are the uses. Now we will just move how these fossil fuels are going to be conserved, children. Last topic of this chapter, that why to conserve the fossil fuel and how we conserve it. See children, when you talk about coal, petroleum and the natural gas, they are taking millions, thousands of years to form. As they are limited, so we have to use them very safely. So whenever we talk about this answer, how to write this answer. So first, they are not renewable. Exhaustively natural resources. It takes millions of years to form. So whenever we are using unnecessarily these particular fossil fuel, they are going to be get finished within the short period of time. और अगर ख़त्म हो रहा है तो फिर उससे बढ़ने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी टेक 1 day or 2 days or 20 days, 30 days or 30 years, 40 years. It will take millions of years to form, जिसकी वजह से they are very limited. So we have to conserve them, we have to save them, we have to protect them. So for that, when you will talk about that, how they are going to be conserved. So when you talk about PCRA, so now what is PCRA? It is the association related with the petroleum conservation. Petroleum conservation research association ने कुछ ऐसे रूल्स बताए कि जिसकी वजह से हम उसे कंजर्व कर सकते हैं. कोई भी चीज़ को हम कंजर्व कर सकते हैं whenever we talked about. So whenever we talked about that particular thing, that what is PCI? X1 PCI. अगर एग्जाम में पूछा जाए तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? P stands for petroleum, then C stands for conservation, R stands for research, and A that is for association. So X1 PCI में बोले तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? That is nothing, but we can write that is petroleum, it is P, then conservation, it is for C, then research, it is R, and association, that is what children A. So PCRA ने कुछ rules दिए हैं, कुछ regulations हैं, what we have to follow, steps given by PCRA. So PCRA ने ऐसे कौन से steps हमें follow करने के लिए बोले हैं? कभी कभी हम लोग बहुत स्पीड से चले जाते हैं, ट्रैफिक सिग्नल होता है फिर भी रुकते नहीं हैं. वी आर देयर इन वेरी मच हरी टू रीच टू द पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. दो द ट्रैफिक सिग्नल इज गिवन, वी आर नॉट रेडी टू स्टॉप. So what we have to do is, whenever traffic signal is there given to you, we have to stop and we have to close the engine. We have to just wait for the traffic signal. We have to, at a time, we have to switch off the engine. So we can just use the particular petrol. We can just save, or the CNG which we are using. That are going to be saved when we are just using them carefully. So whenever we are just driving any of the particular bikes or cars or any of the vehicles, we have to just drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. भले कितने दूर जाना है, थोड़े धीरे पहुंचेंगे, थोड़े देर से पहुंचेंगे, but we have to drive slowly and gradually and with a constant and moderate speed. So the average of the engine is there maintained. जो भी engine 1-2 साल चलेगा वो 3-4 साल और चल सकता है ड्यू टू द पर्टिकुलर कॉन्स्टेंट स्पीड. सो ये पहला स्टेप उसने दिया है, या तो रूल उसका बोल सकते हैं. रादर देन यूजिंग द प्राइवेट व्हीकल, अभी सबके पास कार बाइक्स हैं. सो मैनी ऑफ द पीपल दे आर नॉट यूजिंग बस और अदर पर्टिकुलर पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. रिक्शा है या तो बस है, हम यूज़ नहीं करते बिकॉज हमारा ओन व्हीकल है. तो ट्राई टू यूज द पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट whenever we are need, or either we can use the bicycle. It is a very, we can fit with the physical health also if we are using the bicycle. So these are the steps which are given by the PCRA. Other uses are there which we are writing on the board. First copy this particular one and then these two, then we are writing the 3 which are remaining for which are given by PCRA. So these 2 you just copy. Third, already I have said that whenever traffic signal is there given for, at a time you have to wait for the traffic signal, at a time you have to switch off the engine. So these are the 3 you can write. Third one, switch off the engine, and wait for the traffic signal whenever traffic is there. So this is the third one. So you can copy this, children. If you have copied this, then the fourth one I am writing for you. Just at a regular period of time, maintenance of the vehicle should be done. रेगुलर इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम पे व्हीकल्स जो भी है वो गैरेज में जाने चाहिए for the particular purpose, whatever the part of the vehicle is there, it's going to be there not working at a time. Regular interval or the regular period of time, it should be there in garage for the maintenance. So these are the 4 particular steps given by PCRA, so you can copy it. And this is the very last particular topic which is given by PCRA. How to conserve the fossil fuel. So that is the end of the chapter, and in the next particular lecture children we are just starting with the exercise portion and answer question. So what we have learned today? We have learned today about the compressed natural gas. What is compressed natural gas? So whenever natural gas is compressed at a higher pressure, it is known as compressed natural gas. What are the composition of compressed natural gas? So we can write that 4 gases, that is methane, ethane, propane and butane. Now the amount of methane is 85%, ethane is 10%, propane is 3% and butane is 2%. So this is the composition, and all these particular 4 gases are made up of hydrogen and carbon. So we can say that natural gas is mainly made up of hydrogen and carbon. So that are the particular composition. Now occurrence already we have just learned that they are either from the occur from the petroleum or from the rock. And when we talked about our Vadodara, Gujarat, in which one of this particular city, Vadodara, which is there forming one of the particular natural gas. So this is all about the introduction of natural gas. Now where it is used, so due to its cheaper cost and it is easy way to transport, so it is used for the transporting vehicles rather than the petrol. It is having the lower cost as well as it is less polluting, so it is used as a fuel in the transporting the vehicles. Then it is also used as a fuel in homes as well as in industry, because it is easily passed through or transferred from one place to another place by the using of pipes. So these are the uses, and last use which we have done is it is used for the power generation. So these are the uses of CNG. And then lastly we have learned that why there is a need to conserve the fossil fuel. So it is a non-renewable exhaustible natural resource. That means it is going to be there finished if we are unnecessarily used it, and they are not going to be there formed within the period of time. They will take millions of years to form. That's why there is a need to conserve them, save them, protect them. And PCRA, that is Petroleum Conservation Research Association, which steps we have that we have to follow that whatever the vehicle which are using, they are going to be driven at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. Rather than using own private vehicle, we have to use public transport or either bicycle. Switch off the engine whenever we are there in traffic. We have to wait for the traffic signal. At a time we have to switch off the engine, and at a regular interval or period of time we have to leave our vehicle for the maintenance of the vehicle in the garage. So that is for today. In the next lecture we are starting solving the exercise question answer. Thank you.